So this is exercise 3.3 matrices class 12. First question is find the transpose of each of the following matrix. So transpose, what we have to find? We have to find out the transpose of a matrix in this question. So we have already studied about this in our previous video, that is how to find the transpose of a matrix, and we'll apply the same thing here also. Okay. So we know that how to find transpose. Transpose is just the reciprocal of rows into columns. Rows to columns में convert होना, column to rows में convert होना ही हमारा क्या है, transpose है. So first part I am doing for you, and rest of the part you have to do it by yourselves. The matrix is given 5, 1/2, -1. We know that we generally describe this way the transpose. यहाँ पे AT भी लिख सकते हैं हम. We can write AT also. So transpose is the column converted into row. So transpose will convert to 1, 1/2, and it will become -1. So yeah, this is simple. This is the transpose of this matrix A. Okay, is that clear? So rest of the second and third part you can do it by yourself in the same manner. And now we'll move to the next question. That is question number 2. Here it is given that if A matrix is this and B matrix is this, then verify that first part A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So what is given? First of all, I should drop this, and then we will start the next question. Question number 2. Matrix is given. A matrix is what? -1, 2, and 3, and 5, 7, 9, -2, 1, 1. And the B matrix is, and matrix B is -4, 1, -5, and 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 5. So these two matrices have been given to us, and what they have asked, so in the first part what they have asked us that A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So what we have to show this. Okay, we have to verify this, that LHS equals to RHS. LHS को equal हमें दिखाने किसके, RHS के. So simply first what we'll do, first we'll find the LHS, then we'll find RHS. Okay, so LHS is A plus B. So first we will find A plus B, then we will find the A plus B transpose. So A plus B, we will add both these matrices. So A plus B will be -1 and -4. This will be 2 plus 1, and it will become 3 minus 5. Okay, this will 5 plus 1. This element will become 7 plus 2, and this element will become 9 plus 0. And this element will be -2 plus 1, 1 plus 3, and this one become 1 plus 1. So here what we'll get? We will get out of this -1 minus 5 will be -1 minus 4 will be -5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 5 is -2. Other than 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 9 plus 0 is again 9. -2 plus 1 is -1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the matrix what we'll get after adding A plus B. So now what we have to do, since we have to prove this one, we have to verify this statement. So we had already find what? We have already find A plus B. Now what we have to do, we have to find the transpose of this matrix, and also we have to find out the transpose of A and transpose of B. Okay, so you can copy it down, and then we'll rub and move to the further part of the question. So this we have already find A plus B. Now what you have to do, we have to find out the transpose of A plus B. And transpose of A plus B will be rows will convert it to columns. So when rows will convert it to columns, then it will become -5, 3, -2, and then 6, 9, and again 9, and then -1, and 4 and then 2. So this is the value of the matrix of A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose की वैल्यू ये है बेटा. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out A transpose and B transpose. So first we will find out A transpose. So A transpose is A transpose. We will transpose this matrix. इस matrix का transpose निकालेंगे. So how we will find out the transpose of this matrix? This row will become column, row, column, row, column. Okay. So do it. Let's start. -1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and -2, 1 and 1. So you should also try to do how to find the transpose. Now we'll find B transpose. So we have already given B matrices. B matrix हमने दे रखी है. So we will find the transpose of B. So transpose of B will be -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0 and 1, 3, 1. Okay. So what we have got? We have got this and A transpose and B transpose. So A plus B का transpose हमें मिल चुका है. A transpose मिल गया हमें. B transpose भी मिल चुका है. Now what we have to prove that statement which they have asked. Means उन्होंने हमसे क्या पूछा है? क्या पूछा है उन्होंने? कि ये इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होनी चाहिए. A plus B transpose should be equal to the sum of A transpose and B transpose. So we'll find out the sum of transpose A and transpose B. Okay. So now A transpose plus B transpose is, we will add both of these matrices. So -1 -4 will become -5. Okay. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. -2 plus 1 is -1. Okay. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 3 minus 5 is -2. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have already found that A matrix plus B matrix. And here what we observe or what we can see, हम क्या देख सकते हैं बेटा? That A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. We can see that na? Both the matrices are equal matrices हैं. तो हम क्या सकते हैं that this relation, what the relation is? The relation is A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So this relation has been proved out. Okay, is that clear? So you can copy it down and then we'll move to our next question, that is question number 3. Second part of this question you have to do it by yourself to enhance your knowledge also. And now we'll move to the third question, that is if A transpose is given to us and B matrix is given to us, then we have to verify that A plus B transpose is equals to same what we have proved over here. But I'll do here in question number 3, I'll do second part for you. You will try the first part. Okay, because first part बिल्कुल same इसी तरीके से है. Second part हम next question का करते हैं. So before that you can copy it. So this is the question number 3, that A transpose is equals to this and B matrix is this. So here we have given the transpose of one matrix and other matrix had been given to us. So we have not to get confused in what is transpose and what is the original matrices. So without getting confused, we should know here it is given A slash means it is transpose and here it's only B, that means it's the original matrix. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that A minus B transpose is equals to A transpose minus B transpose. So for this we will carry on with the same approach which we have applied in the last question, and we will first find A minus B. So A minus B is, so here in this question, first to find this A minus B, first we have to find what is A. We don't know A. A क्या है हमारे पास ये पता नहीं है. We know A transpose. A transpose तो हमें पता है. A नहीं पता हमें. So first we'll find A. तो A क्या होगा? We have already studied in the introduction lecture what that transpose of a transpose is the original matrix. यानी transpose का transpose कर दें तो दोबारा हमें क्या मिल जाती है? वही सेम मैट्रिक्स मिल जाती है। तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिला, ट्रांसपोज मिला, तो हम इसका भी ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे। तो जब ट्रांसपोज का ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो हमारे पास दोबारा ये मैट्रिक्स आ जाएगी। सो विल डू द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस ए ट्रांसपोज। ओके, सो ए ट्रांसपोज का जब हम ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 3 4 -1 2 एंड 0 और 1 आ गया हमारे पास। अब हमने क्या देखा, व्हाट वी हैव सीन दैट ए मैट्रिक्स एंड बी मैट्रिक्स आर ऑफ द सेम ऑर्डर। सेम ऑर्डर की होगी तो सब्सट्रैक्शन इजीली हो जाएगा। इजीली क्या सब्सट्रैक्शन होएगा ही तब क्या, व्हेन वी हैव द सेम ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। सेम ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स होगी तभी हमारा सब्सट्रैक्शन या एडिशन पॉसिबल है। वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस। ओके, सो वी विल फाइंड आउट ए माइनस बी। सो ए माइनस बी फाइंड कर लेते बेटा, बहुत सिंपल है। ए माइनस बी, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, वी हैव टू माइनस ए बी फ्रॉम ए। बी में से ए में से हमें बी माइनस करनी है। सो 3 माइनस -1, अब ध्यान से देखेंगे 3 माइनस -1 बनेगा प्लस का 4, 3 माइनस -1। ठीक है, क्लियर है। देन -1 -2 विल बिकम -3 एंड देन 0 -1 विल बिकम -1। ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर है ना, इज दैट क्लियर। सो 1 -4 इज, सॉरी हमें ए माइनस बी करना है, तो 4 व्हाट, 4 -1 is 3, then 2 - 2 is 0, and then 1 - 3 is -2. So minus में we have to be more careful in doing these operations. Okay, क्योंकि साइन का भी हमें यहाँ पे बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि क्या कुछ गड़बड़ तो ना। एक बार फिर से चेक कर दें, क्रॉस चेक इट to make that we haven't done any mistake in this question. So 3 minus -1 is +1 and 3 + 1 become 4 and -1 -2 will become -3, 0 -1 will become -1, 4 - 1 is 3, we know that, 2 - 2 is 0 and 1 - 3 is -2. So all fine. So now what we have to find, we have to find the transpose of this matrix. अब इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज भी फाइंड करना है भैया जी, तो ट्रांसपोज भी फाइंड कर लेते हैं हम। रो को हम क्या बना देंगे, कॉलम, बट विल मेक कन्वर्ट रो टू द कॉलम। सो 4 -3 एंड -1 एंड इट विल बिकम 3 0 -2। सो वही हम पे एक तरफ वाला तो आ गया। LHS वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट दैट, व्हाट इज द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ A minus B? A minus B transpose is this. Now what we have to find, we have already A transpose, we have to just find out the transpose of B and then we will subtract both of these matrix. So see, so B transpose will be, B transpose क्या होगा, इसका वही रो को कॉलम, -1 2 and 1 and here 1 2 3 आ गया। Now what we'll find, we'll find A transpose minus B transpose. So अब इसमें से इसे माइनस कर रहा हूं तो 3 माइनस -1 यानी माइनस माइनस क्या बन जाता है, प्लस, माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, तो 3 + 1 is 4, 4 - 1, 4 - 1 is 3. Now -1 and -2, minus is plus, -1 and -2 convert to -3. 2 - 2 is 0. 0 minus 0 minus 1 is -1. Here we will get -1 and 1 - 3 is -2. So we have got A transpose minus B transpose. Now we can clearly see that these two matrices are equal, same matrix है। So now we can say that this relation, what is this relation, is absolutely right. Okay, is that clear? So this is the end of the question number 3. Now we'll move to our next question, that is question number 4. So before that you can copy the question. So here is question number 4. What is given in the question number 4? A transpose is this and B matrix is this, and what we have to find out? We have to find out A plus 2B का transpose. What we have to find out? We have to find out of A plus 2B. So what we have to do? Now you are able to recognize, ये आपको पता लगने लगा होगा हम किस अप्रोच के साथ जाना है, what we approach we have to follow. So what will go? We will first find out A plus 2B. So A plus 2B पहले फाइंड आउट करेंगे और फिर उसका ट्रांसपोज निकाल देंगे सिमिलरली. So here A transpose से हमें निकालना है. So how we will find out A from A transpose? We will once again do the transpose of this transpose, and we know that transpose of a transpose is the same matrix. So A is equals to हो जाएगा A transpose का transpose. So -2 3 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Good. So ये हमारे पास आ गया A ट्रांसपोज का ट्रांसपोज यानी A मिल गया हमें. B से हम 2B निकाल लेते हैं. We'll find 2B. So 2 will be, we will multiply the one scalar quantity 2 with all of the 4 elements of this matrix B. That will become -2 0. 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2. 2 multiplied 2 will be 4. Now what we have to find out? First we'll find A plus 2B. So A plus 2B will be, A plus 2B क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? We will add this -2 -2. -2 will become -4. And 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Good. And now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 2 minus 4 is -2. Now we will find the transpose of this. ये हमें एक मैट्रिक्स मिल गया ना. अब इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करना है. ट्रांसपोज क्या करना है? What we have to convert row into column. We will convert row to the column. रो को हम क्या बना देंगे? कॉलम बना देंगे. 1 minus 2. So this will be the answer of this question number 4. So you are able to understand. So please copy it down, and then we'll move to our next question, that is question number 5. So now we'll find out A plus 2B. हमने क्या करना है? अब A plus 2B फाइंड आउट करना है. What we'll do? We will add both of these matrix. इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स को हम क्या करेंगे? We will add. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 will become -4. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. And 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So we will get A plus 2B matrix. Now what we'll do? We have got this matrix now, and then we'll find the transpose of this matrix. तो इसका हम ट्रांसपोज फाइंड कर लेंगे. तो ट्रांसपोज इज -4 1 रो कॉलम 5 and 6. So this is the transpose of this matrix. So this is the end of the question number 4. Now you can copy the question. I hope you have understood. It's a simple one. Now we'll move to our next question, that is question number 5. So before that you can copy it down. So fifth question is, it has been given to us A matrix and B matrix. What we have to find out? We have to prove that AB matrix, AB transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose. ये हमने पहले भी इंट्रोडक्शन वाले पार्ट में भी एक एग्जांपल लेके हमने करा था. ये प्रॉपर्टी थी आपकी ट्रांसपोज की. चलिए, सो प्रूव करते हैं यहाँ पे इस एग्जांपल को लेके. तो जिसको वहां पे समझ नहीं आया होगा, दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड हियर प्रॉपर्ली इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इट इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. ठीक है, तो आपको अगर पहले नहीं पता लगा होगा तो आप यहाँ पे भी समझ सकते हैं. तो देखिए क्या करना है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स एंड बी मैट्रिक्स. तो फाइंड आउट द प्रोडक्ट. व्हाट वी विल चेक. हमें प्रोडक्ट का पता है ना पहले से ही. फर्स्ट वी विल चेक द नंबर ऑफ कॉलम. ये है 3/1 मैट्रिक्स एंड दिस इज, and B matrix is, this is 3/1 matrix and this is 1/3 matrix. So we can see that number of column and number of rows in the second matrix are equal. Then we'll get a matrix of 3/3. 3/3 की matrix मिलेगी. So how to find the product of AB? So AB is equals to हो जाएगा, AB matrix will be row with each of the column. So 1 into -1 is -1, 1 into 2 is 2, and 1 into 1 is 1. Good. -4 into -1 is +4, -4 into 2 is -8, and -4 into 1 is -4. 3 multiplied by -1 is -3, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So this is AB matrix. Now we will find the transpose of AB. then transpose of AB is transpose रो into column हो जाएगा -1, 2 and 1, -1, 2 and 1, 4, -8, -4, -3, 6 and 3. So this is the transpose of AB matrix. Now we will find out what? My product of B transpose and A transpose. So before that, we have to find out B transpose and A transpose. So B transpose, what is B transpose? The row will become the column. It will become -1, 2 and 1. Okay. Now A transpose is row column. So it will become what? 1, -4 and 3. Ab, we know that this is 3 by 1 matrix and this is 1 by 3 matrix. We can easily find out the product. So product will be, we will find B matrix multiplied by A matrix. That is, let's see, 3 by 3 matrix आएगी हमें पता है. We know that. So रो की सब कॉलम से -1 into 1 is -1. -1 into -4 is +5. And -1 into 3 is -3. Clear? So -1 into this is ये plus 5 नहीं होगा, ये होगा -1 into -4 is +4. ये add कर दिया -6. Okay, and then let's check -1 into 3 is -3. Then we will multiply from 2 by this. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied 4 is -8. 2 multiplied 3 is 6. Is that clear? Now we'll multiply by 1. That is 1, -4 and 3. So we have got what? B transpose multiplied by A transpose. And we can see that AB transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose. Because both the matrices are equal. We have -1, we have 4, then -3, then 2, -8, 6, and then 1, -4 and 3. So by this we have proved this statement. What is this statement? That AB transpose is equals to B transpose multiplied by A transpose. So is that clear? So copy the question and then we'll move to the next one, that is question number 6.